Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Netflix account. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Netflix app and sign in. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner. Tap Settings. Here, tap Account Details. Under Membership and Billing, tap Cancel Membership. To confirm, tap Finish Cancellation. After cancellation, you will still be able to use your Netflix account until the subscription ends. And that's how you cancel Netflix. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.